Hi guys, Rebecca here. Today is 4/28/2017. The time is 8 p.m. The date in New Zealand is April 29th, 2017, and the time there is 12 p.m. We're going to start off with a 3.0, which is at Hammer Springs. This appears to be a very mountainous area. Our next quake is a 3.4, and this is at Aikido. It looks like they may be doing some deforestation here as well. Our next quake is a 2.7. And this is located at South Bay, which is right off of Kokora. And it is near where the 4.0 happened later. Our next quake is a 1.4, 92 kilometers in depth. And this is at Aranui, which is on the backside of Taupo. Look at this mountain. Go over here and see how big it is. It's actually back here. Our next quake is a 1.7 at 72 kilometers in depth. And this is at Tongariro. This is Tongariro here. Our next quake is a 2.3 at 95 kilometers deep at midnight. And this is at Wangamana Bay Area. Until there's houses over here. Our next quake was a 2.7, and this is at Leslie Hills. Our next quake was a 2.4 at 85 kilometers in depth. behind White Island. And this is White Island here. Our next quake is a 3.2 at Lake Grassmere. We'll see if we can do a road shot. Nope. That's something new. Don't think I've seen that before. Anyway, our next quake is a 2.6, which is in the Cook Strait. And let me see if I can find it again. There's a wind farm over this way somewhere. And we're just peeking around a little bit. Our next quake is a 2.7. This is at Perunui. Next quake is a 3.5. This is at Rassington. And I was looking at these gorgeous through here. Our next quake was a 2.6. And this is at Mount Elizabeth. Mount Elizabeth is here. Our next quake is a 3.2. And this is in Lyford. So we're back to the same area where the 3.0 hit. Our next quake is a 3.6, which is at Mount Culverden. Looks like maybe a road up there. I'm not sure. Our next quake is a 2.9, which is at Seaward Valley area. That looks like maybe a road through here. Yeah, it's a road. Puhi Puhi Road. The quake striking here. Our next quake is a 2.7. And this is at Area National Park. I'm going to just look around here. This is water area. Some things still can't make out really well. I wonder. Nope. Our next quake was a 4.0, which is at Picetta. What I noticed was there seemed to be some type of work going on over here. I don't know what. And I can't really make it out really well with the resolution. Next quake was a 3.5 at Clifford Bay. Our next quake is a 3.1 at 179 kilometers in depth at Marino. No, sorry. At Cape Manawara Forest Park. This is off the backside, actually not the backside, the side of Topo, but kind of this way. But it's to the east of Tongariro and Rapehu. The next quake was a 7.2. It was in the Philippines. Our next quake was a 2.1 at 77 kilometers in depth. And it was in Tasman. And there's the houses here. And then there's also some digging or woodwork or something going on over here. And this looks, maybe they're mining. Our next quake is a 2.0 at 73 kilometers in depth. And this is at Marino. Next quake was a 2.2 at 53 kilometers in depth, and this is at Waihe Bay. And our last quake is a 2.5 at 109 kilometers in depth. It was originally a 2.2 at 111. And this is at Woodstock. And again, the resolution is bad, so I can't really see whether it's wood or what. Anyway, you guys, Much love, and I will talk to you later.